To add a Google account to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. You're going to start by navigating to the app screen and you're going to select Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll down and look for the option Accounts and Backup and select that. And then from here, you want to go ahead and select the option Google Account, so this one right here. And then you're going to choose the option Add Account. Once you've selected Add Account, you can now go ahead and just select the option Add from Phone. Then it should bring a pop-up on your device. So go ahead and select Choose Another Account. Choose any of the accounts that you currently have available and confirm that it's you who's trying to sign in. Once you do that, the account should be successfully added to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.